Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install and configure fail2ban for Apache authentication. In this video, we will cover the following topics: installing fail2ban on a Linux machine, setting up a simple web server with Apache and password protection, configuring fail2ban to detect and block users who try to access the web server with incorrect credentials. Before I begin, I'm going to talk about what fail2ban is. fail2ban is a tool that monitors log files for specific patterns and executes actions such as banning the IP address of an offending host when triggered. It is commonly used to protect servers from malicious activities such as brute force attacks on login credentials by blocking the IP addresses of hosts that exhibit suspicious behavior. So I'll start off by showing you how fail2ban works with the Apache web server. Firstly, let's go into the website, and here you can see a prompt for sign in. I'm gonna key in 3 incorrect sign-ins. And as you can see, it no longer prompts me for a sign in, and the website is currently unusable. You can then use this command to check for the number of incorrect login, filtered, and IP bans. Now we're gonna install fail2ban and start the service. To set up the web server, I'm going to create a directory for my web server. Next, I'm going to create a file called index.html, and I'm going to store my HTML code in the script. Next, I'll also have to create a configuration file. And I'm going to edit the configuration file and add the following lines. Next, to create a username and password to log into the web server, you can use this command. You have to then create a .htaccess file in the directory. Add the following lines to the htaccess file. You can then start up your Apache server by running this command and key in your public IP to access your web server. Now let's set up the jail for our fail2ban. Let's do so by cloning jail.config as jail.local. We will then edit jail.local and search for Apache-authentication. You will now need to add a few lines of code to your configuration. Firstly, set Apache authentication to enabled equals true. Next, let's set the error log path. And then let's set max retry equals 3, find time equals 600, and ban time equals 600. Now let's test if everything is working. Thank you for watching this demo. I hope you have a better understanding of how fail2ban works and how it can help secure your web server.